Another step you need to do when creating these patterns is to then true up any seams that get sewn together. So what I have right now in front of me is I have my front short piece and I have the back, and I know that they are going to be sewn at the side seam. So it's important that they are the same length. So I'm going to check the length. I am in the letter Z tool, the edit pattern tool. I can click this segment and I'm going to hold shift and click the other segment that's also part of the side seam, and I can see a total. It did the math for me. It added up the two segments, and it looks like that it is 19.157. I recommend writing that down, 19.157. Now I'm going to click the other seam that it would be sewn to. I'm also going to hold shift to get all the segments in that seam, and it looks like this total is 20.788. So that's a little bit off. That's more than an inch off. So I do want to get this fixed. You need to decide how you're going to fix it. Are you going to make this one smaller? Are you going to make this one bigger? There's different factors to take in. You know, you can look at your avatar. Is it looking big or small? I don't know. There's lots of, depends on the shape of the pattern, but at the end of the day, you need to come up with a decision and make them the same length. I think for me, what I'm going to do, I kind of want to just change both of these segments to be 20.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and now, unfortunately, I wish I could click both and just right click and say change length, but it won't let me. I need to only just click one at a time. So, oh gosh, to get it 20.5, that means I have to do math. I have to, I can use the calculator on my phone, or I can do it in my head, but it looks like I need to subtract 0.288 inches. I'm going to do it off the top edge. So I'm going to select this line, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to say change length. Okay, so I need to subtract 0.288. Okay, just to be safe, I could do it in my head, but how about instead if I use my calculator? So typing in 7.234 minus 0.288, and I got 6.946. Okay, so now the other one, I need it to be 20.5. So I'm just going to subtract, it was 19.157, so I need to add 1.343 is what I need to add to this guy. I think I'm also going to add it to this segment. So I'm going to right click it, change length. Okay, it looks like I'm going to take 1.343, add it to 5.604, and on my calculator says the grand total is 6.947. I'm going to say, okay, so now that's bigger. So now I'm going to select this segment, and let's see. Oh, looks like my total is now, holding shift, 20.5. Great, that's what I was hoping for. Are you also 20.5? Holding shift? Oh, you know what? I'm going to take it as a win. Yes, that is 20.5. I'm going with it. Okay, so you're going to want to do that for any seam that gets sewn together. And just keep in mind that, you know, if I have a belt, like a waistband that I need to sew at the top and I need to true that up, you know, if I were to make any more changes here, that's going to mess up, could possibly mess up the length of my waistband, you know. So anytime you make a change, just think about, is that going to change another length of a seam that gets sewn together? So it can get a little tricky, but it's very satisfying once you're done and everything is the same length. So let me know if you guys have any questions on this.